Okay, let me show you how to open the Tinkercad web-based software or application. So here we can do many electronics projects. So Arduino projects we can do here. Then just you go the browser, Google browser, type here Tinkercad. Okay. So after typing this, we will get the link. So click this link, Tinkercad link. Click here. After clicking this one, this page will be displayed. Then go to join now. Click the join. See here you can join with this website through any one of this way. Okay. So just you go click the create the personal account. Click and you can use the mail and you can use Google account. So if you have any that is email or account, Google account, click here Google account, sign in with Google account, or you can use email also. Then let us wait for a few minutes. And I am using this account, my account I am using. This is my Google account. So after this you will get here 3D design and circuits and code blocks. So we need here circuits. We go for circuits here and click circuits because we are going to do electronics project, that is Arduino project. So yeah, that's why. And after clicking this one, create new circuit. That is you can do your new experiment. So after clicking this you will get this this is a space you can place all the components, and here the basic components will be given here in the right side. The resistor, LCD, push button, potentiometer, then capacitor, slide switch, battery, and many things is given. Okay, Arduino board and breadboard, every basic components, also ultrasonic distance sensor, so buzzer, so everything is given here. And if you want to see all the components means click here and give the option in the drop down list all. Okay, if you are clicking this one you will get all here. And next thing is, if you want to get here that Arduino board, here we know that variety of board, Arduino board. So you click here, you will get many different ways board is given. So you can select here the breadboard for the it's enough for our experiments. So click this one breadboard and click and drag and drop this. Now click this, position this one, positioning here. Then we start our experiments. We can start our experiments. So before that we know that this is the Arduino basic board. Here microprocessor and analog pin and digital pins also given here. This is analog pin A02, A5. Here the digital pin is given, and here that using the breadboard we can connect our basic electronic things with this with this Arduino board. And here that for this one connecting you have to give the power for this breadboard, and that's why use this black color jumper wire to connect with the breadboard, and the red color wire is connected with this plus. That means power, you are powering. And this is two part here, this is one part. Okay, so this is another part. For the this part also you can use. For this part, before using this part we have to give the power for this part. So that's why you can give here, that is you can connect this part, this to that part, and using this red color wire. Here you know that it's horizontally power will be passing here, and this ground means here, this two line is a horizontal way the power is passing. And next thing is how it's passing power here means this is vertical way, and this part is vertical way, this is horizontal way is there. And next thing is how we can place our components. Place our components, go to basic and components, basic components, and take LED. For example, I want to connect the LED here, so just you place this LED. For example, LED I want to place this here. Okay, and this one is cathode and this is anode. The cathode is connected with the ground, and anode you can use the anode to connect it with the pin. Okay, so through this digital pin, this is the digital output device, so that is why we can use here that digital output pin. So if you give the instruction to this LED through this pin, it will work. Okay, so just you connect this wire, take the wire and connect with this one. So first you can use the wire to connect the ground, so like that. Okay, connect with this wire, you can use it. This is a ground means for indication of this one you can use the black color. Okay, and one more thing is, so instead of this one you can use the resistor. Okay, so why we have to use the resistor means, if you are passing the power beyond the limit means the LED will be burned. Okay, so to avoid the burning of that LED, we can use resistor. Okay, yes, and click this one and delete, and use here resistor and connect with the ground. Okay, so after that you can connect here that anode connect with the pin. So I want to connect this anode connect with this pin 12. Okay, yes. Okay, now its setup is okay. So how to write the code for glowing this LED? Just you go to code, click here. So it's some code is given to delete all this code. Right click, delete block, and here also right click, delete all the blocks. Okay, and if you want to duplicate, you can use the duplicate. It will you will get the copy of that block. So this is the block based program. No need to type anything, just use the block. Okay, and one more thing is, this is the output. So if you want to set any output devices means you can use this blocks here, output blocks, and input block. If you want to give input input to the Arduino from the devices means you can use this one, and this blocks, and control. If you want to control all the devices, and based on this control only, if you based on this control, the device will work. So next thing is mathematical operation. If you need to do any mathematical operation, you can use these blocks. Click here create variable and give the name of that variable, then you can use it. Okay, before going to use this variable, you create and use it. Next, notation means commands is given. So when you are typing, when you are doing that programs, so easily you can understand or other understand. So you have to give some description about the codes. So what purpose you have, right, why we using, how it will work, like that. You give the description about the code, you can use the command. So it will not be executed by the browser. Only this other than notations, all the codes will be executed by the processor here. Okay, microprocessor, this one is. And next here, and you can use this one. What? Okay, how we are ready to write the code for this one. So this is the output device. So I click here output device, and I want to glow this LED, red color LED, and you can set the pin. What is the pin is connected with this LED? You check here. This the pin is digital pin is 12. So you set here the digital pin here is what? Digital pin is 12. Okay. The digital pin is 12. Then here is high is given. What is the, this two option is given here. High means it's glowing, and low means it will off, and it off here. Then I'm giving high. Okay, so now his code is ready. I will tell you here, if you want to change the color of the LED, you can change it. Okay, so here, you know, if you want to give here LED, if you want to use that green color LED, you can use it, and blue color LED you want, you can change that color. Okay, so based on their colors, you changing the colors, you will get the LED. Okay, now you click the code and click the code. It's blue color here. I want to change it. Yes, I want to change here red color. And for understanding this one, for I will change the color here, what brown, brown color. Okay, yes, or pink color you can change. Okay, so next this wire, jumper wire. So now connection is ready. Now write the code. For I told you, just I want to glow this one. Okay, so now it's set the 12 and glow. And what is the actual code of this IDE code of this one Arduino board? It's given. So go to see that one, you click here blocks plus text and see the here. So here the two functions here, one is setup function and loop function. So that the void, it will not return any values from this function. So the setup function, you know, the setup function, it is you can initialize all the devices here. So this is the LED, it is connected with the pin 12. This is the output devices. So here, you know, pin mode, so set initialize that device, and you can do initialization here. And here, you know, we will write the code for make the devices to work. And see this one, in this looping we are giving here digital write. Digital write means we are writing that value from the processor to LED. So what we are writing, high means that we give the instruction to the LED to glow. Okay, so the delay time also is given, delay time. So you can change the time here, delay. How we can change the delay means you can use here the wait block. So use this block, we can change it. So now, you know, 1 second means 100 millisecond. So instead of that, easily you can understand, you set here millisecond and you give here 100 or 200 or 1000. So I want to give here is 400. Okay, 400. So now, yes, it's working. So now its code is ready. We can run the code, how it will be working. Let us check and start simulation. This resistor is connected with the ground. We make mistake here, you connected with this ground. Okay, now you check this one. Okay, now it's glowing. So then I want to blinking. I want to make that LED is blinking, that is on and off. So change the code. For that you can change the code and copy the same block I am going to use. So duplicate it and make it. Then after 400 seconds it will be glow. Okay, after 400 seconds it will be glow here. The first time is glowing, and it will be glowing for 400 milliseconds. So after that, after 400 milliseconds, then it will go off low in 400 milliseconds. So now you check here what's happening. Let us check how it's working. Yes, you see this one, it's blinking. Waits for 400 milliseconds and blinking. So next one, I want to use that blue and green color. So take this another. For that you can use another LED and one more LED. Okay, it's placed here. Then it will be connected with this anode. Okay, so take the register, connect with the ground, same procedure. connected with the ground. Okay, so next take the some jumper wire. This is what green color I want to make the green color. You change the color here green, and here blue color. Okay, you need wire to connect this pin. I want to connect this one with it pin number 9, and this one is the anode is connected with pin number pin number, for example 4 or 5. Okay, we can connect with the 5 here. Okay, so now you can change this one and green color, and take this green, right click, you click here, change this one. Green color already is there, so the color, that wire color also you can change the wire color. This is what blue. So easily you can understand the connection, so how they connected, what is connected, which pin is connected with this one, easily you can understand. That's why here that black color means ground and red color means power. Already we are using the red color, that's why we are using here brown color wire, then green color, then blue color. Okay, so green and blue. So now it's okay, and its connection is ready. And let's next go for this code. So duplicate, I'm using the same code, so you can use like this. And here this pin, the second pin, this green pin is connected with I think 9. So you give here, this is also glow, and after 4 seconds it will off. So give this 9, 12. Here low. So next another one set I need for blue color. So duplicate this, and another one. So this is got its blue color is connected with the pin. Digital pin is number is 5. Digital number is 5, and this one also it's connected with 5 here. Okay, so high and low. So now this code is ready, so you can check here. This the void setup. We are set up here 3 LED. First one is red, and 9 is blue, red, green and blue. Okay, so then what is given here, that digital write, we are writing this high, then after 4 seconds, then 400 milliseconds, then it will off low, and again that red color, this is what green color, then blue color, high and low, same thing. So next here, okay, now we go and check it. Okay, let us check this one, how it will work. Start. Yes, it's working perfectly. See here, then first red color after 400 milliseconds, then green, then blue. Okay, then blue. Next we want to use that variable for this waiting time. You can use the variable, so go to variable, create the variable here. Variable is what speed. Okay, and the speed of this LED, speed, then set the speed variable. What is this one speed variable here? 400 milliseconds. So instead of this giving number, you use the variable. So already we set that variable value, the variable speed value of speed variable is 400. You give here all. Okay, so now is instead of that number, you can use the variable. You can use the variable here. Okay, and 400. Now that only changes here variable. Now you check here. So instead of that given 400 variable given, and 400 speed 400. Okay, so now its code is ready. Once again let us check what will happen. I think that the same output will come because we didn't change anything, just we make the variable and assign the same value. So that's why. Suppose if you want to change the value, means no need to change all the things, just you can change here only enough. For example 500 or 100, if you want to change it, means it's enough. Okay, or 1000 also you can change it. Okay, yes. For example I am giving 800. So what will happen in the 800 means it will wait for some time. So that is why you can give 600, you can change 600. So next thing is just click the code and hide all this code and start to run this code. Start simulation. Yeah, yes, 600 milliseconds is given, it's coming like this. Okay, see, red color after 600 milliseconds, then green color, then after milliseconds blue color. Okay, it's good. Then if you want to glow all the times, all the LED to glow all the times, means just remove all these things, all the blocks. Only three block enough. No need to give, no need to set this pin, digital pin with low value. Okay, just to give all the pin is set with high. The LED pin, anode, all the anode is set with high. Okay, just duplicate that, this duplicate, so at a time it will glow all. Remove this. So only three things is enough for this one. 3 block is enough. Give here, the first one is 12 and the second pin is 9 and third is 5. Okay, so now set all high, all pin with high. Okay, so now this code is ready, and click this one, hide all the codes and start simulation. Okay, it's glow now. Okay, it's very simple. You practice yourself. Okay, because it's not this web-based software, web-based application, no need to install anything, just you go type the Tinkercad and you will get here software, web-based software. Then in this one we can make our circuit. Okay, and do your experiment, try to find what will happen. Okay, how it's working. Thank you all. See you with the next experiment.